Hey guys, there I am in the mirror. Wonderful. I decided to make an impromptu video about doing, there we go, drying my clothes when I do my laundry. Another money saving thing that I do. It's very simple, very basic. So it is what it is, but it's something that I do. I've grown used to it. It's become a habit for me to do. I don't dry any of my clothes in the dryer. I do my like bedding and stuff like that, but uh, yeah, so that's what I do. So um, let me flip it around here. Let me see. Like I said, this is impromptu, man. So this is my like work little stretching room here. I stretch out and stuff in this room, but I also dry my clothes in here, and I use clothes drying racks like this one, which I got off of Amazon. And I'll try to link it in the description below if that's something that you're into and stuff like that. It works for me, and I just wanted to do this video because I'm doing a load of laundry, so I wanted to do that. So yeah, I use this thing and I dry all my clothes. I've gotten to a routine. I do my laundry like on Wednesday and Saturday. Most of it just work it out. I like to work out, go to the gym and stuff like that, so I'm doing my thing there. So that works for me there. And then I got a couple of clothes, hanging things. I got that bracket thing right there. It was like that thing's only like 25 bucks on Amazon, which is awesome. I couldn't believe it. It's still like 25 bucks. Then I got that. I hang on my winter stuff when it gets cold out, it dries and stuff. So anyway, that's a quick impromptu. I just wanted to touch base and say, hey, that's something I do. Like I said, I only dry my bedding in the dryer. Everything else I hang up, and it seems to be good to go. So that's about it. You got any comments, questions, whatever? The clothes may not be as soft as you would put like softener and stuff in the wash or the dry, whatever you do. But it works for me. I'm able to do that. I hang it up, and I do believe I save so much money, by not drying my clothes. I think the dryer is the number one thing, or one of the number one things that use the most electricity in your house. So that's what I do. And like I said, I'm down to a system now. Now this may not work for everybody. People may have a big family or whatever the case may be, but if it's something that maybe you can do, I would say give it a shot. I mean, I do definitely save a lot of money. So anyway, that's it. Hope you have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.